Ever wondered how some people turn the unpredictable world of Forex trading into a reliable income stream? Welcome to the fascinating realm of Forex, where currencies dance in a delicate balance of supply and demand. It's a place that promises immense profit, yet often seems shrouded in complexity and risk. Many perceive Forex trading as a labyrinth, an enigma that only a few can decipher. But what if you could unravel this enigma? What if you could turn the odds in your favor? The secret to mastering Forex trading lies in one word: strategy. Just imagine the world of Forex as a vast, tumultuous battlefield. Your strategy is your weapon, your shield, your plan of attack. It guides your every move, helping you navigate through the chaos. Let's take a closer look at a few strategies. First, we have trend following, a strategy where you aim to capitalize on momentum, riding the wave of a trend until it shows signs of reversal. Picture a surfer catching a wave and riding it out for as long as possible. Then there's breakout trading, akin to a sprinter bursting out of the blocks at the start of a race. You're waiting for the price to break out of a specific level, and then you swoop in quick as a hawk. Lastly, there's position trading. This is the long game, like a chess match. You're making moves based on a thorough analysis of long-term trends. Remember, in the battlefield of Forex, the sharpest weapon is a well-crafted strategy. So, how do you master these strategies? How do you turn them into your path to profit? Well, it's a journey that involves a process, broken down into manageable steps. Firstly, understanding market trends is crucial. The Forex market is like a living, breathing entity that moves to the rhythm of global economies. Learning to read these rhythms, these ups and downs, can give you a sense of where the market might go next. Next, analyzing historical data is an essential part of this process. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results, but it can offer valuable insights. It's like looking at old maps to navigate new terrains. By studying this data, you can identify patterns that may hint at future movements. Then, there's practicing with demo accounts. They say practice makes perfect, and in the world of Forex trading, it's no different. These accounts allow you to trade with virtual money, helping you to hone your strategies without risking real capital. It's like a training ground preparing you for the real battlefield. Staying informed about global economic events is also key. The Forex market is greatly influenced by these events, from political elections to changes in interest rates. By keeping your finger on the pulse of these events, you can anticipate market changes and adjust your strategies accordingly. Patience and discipline are the foundation of mastering Forex trading strategies. They're like the two oars that keep your trading boat steady in the turbulent sea of the Forex market. Mastering Forex trading strategies is not an overnight process, but with patience and discipline you can turn it into a profitable endeavor. But what if you could further simplify the process? What if you could automate your Forex trading? Imagine the power of using expert advisors to automate your trading activities. This isn't a glimpse into the distant future, it's happening right now. Automated Forex trading is like having a seasoned expert by your side, making decisions based on well-tested strategies. It's about saving time, making your trading journey more efficient. No more late nights analyzing market trends, your expert advisor has it covered. But there's more. Automated trading removes the emotional component that can sometimes cloud judgment. It sticks to the plan, providing a level of consistency that's hard to achieve manually. And where can you find these expert advisors? At KOKOSHELL.com, a haven for the best expert advisors for automated Forex trading in MetaTrader 4. With the right strategies and the power of automation, you can turn the enigma of Forex trading into a reliable income stream. The world of Forex is waiting for you. Are you ready to step in?